CEMOS Auto Performance is a class electronic machine optimization system that controls all electronic functions intended for optimizing the machine and its processes. CEMOS Auto Performance holds a constant preset engine speed and controls the engine power output and the ground speed to help maximize the output of the machine. In doing this, it helps to produce an even crop flow, reduce fuel consumption due to driving in the efficient speed range, and to reduce the demand on the operator. To set up CEMOS Auto Performance, we first need to gain access to the CEMOS Auto Performance menu. To do this, we can do it one of two ways, either by pressing the CEMOS Auto Performance display, or by simply entering the Drive menu and selecting the CEMOS Auto Performance submenu. In the CEMOS Auto Performance submenu, we have 6 main settings to set up the system. The first setting is Automatic Engine Speed Reduction. With this activated, the machine will drop down to 1400 RPM whenever the front attachment is not in working position. This helps to save fuel, but with the speed reduction, maximum forward speed is still maintained. The second setting is then the CEMOS Auto Performance Master Switch, and this is where the system can be switched on or off. The third setting is then our engine working speed. This sets the maximum engine speed that the engine will operate at in the half throttle or working throttle position. This setting works with both CEMOS and normal operations. The next setting is then Dynamic Power. This adjusts the dynamic power range to be used when CEMOS Auto Performance is activated. There are 3 settings: 3 out of 10, 7 out of 10 and 10 out of 10. When using 3 and 7 out of 10, you will have a power reserve when using CEMOS, which will allow the system to use up to 10 steps when required, but when using maximum power in 10 out of 10, this will not be available. Instead, the machine will start to reduce forward speed when the maximum power has been reached. The next setting is Maximum Ground Speed. This sets the maximum forward speed that the operator wants and maintains it as long as the engine speed can also be maintained. The final setting is then the engine speed set point. The optimum engine speed that is highlighted in the operator's manual should be set here to get the maximum output from the machine. To activate CEMOS Auto Performance, the master switch first must be switched on. With the master switch switched on, the throttle position needs to be set to the middle or working speed. This will then prepare the system for work. The operator will then need to activate the autopilot button to then activate the CEMOS Auto Performance system. To deactivate CEMOS Auto Performance, the operator can simply press the autopilot button once more, or simply move the throttle to full throttle position, which deactivates the system.